everyone! Today we're going to draw a
candy cane.
We're going to start off with a pencil, and that way we can, if we make any mistakes, we can erase our mistakes.
Yeah, because marker we cannot erase.
Yeah, so after we draw with our pencil, we will use our markers to outline the drawings, and then we'll color them in.
Yeah.
So let's start off with drawing the candy cane. We're going to start off with a curve on the top. And it's going to be like a big U shape, but then this side is going to be a little longer, just like that. You can go ahead.
It's like an upside down U.
Yeah. So we're just going to start off like that, and then draw a big curve, and then make it down. That's right. And now we're going to, we can either go outside or inside. I might try inside.
Yeah, me too.
So we're going to make another curve to close up this line and go inside, and we're just going to follow along with this line right here carefully, and we're going to make that curve inside just like that.
I finished before you.
Oh, I see that. And yeah, you did finish before me. You know what to do.
Yeah.
So right here I did accidentally make it a little shorter here, so I'm going to fix that up a little bit.
And you have to erase them.
Yeah, I'm going to erase it. Yep. So let's fix that up, and I will erase this inside. There you go.
I didn't do any mistakes.
Yours looks great. So we're going to draw
Except mine's too close to the edge.
that's not a problem. We're going to draw a bow here, and you can see that we already drew the lines here, but we will erase the lines here once we finish doing our bows on top, just to make it look like we have the bow on top of the candy cane.
Yeah, and don't forget to do the lines after the bow.
Yeah.
Or it'll look crazy.
Yeah, the lines for the candy cane, right?
Yeah.
Yep. So we're going to start off with a big circle right here, and this is the knot of the bow. Okay?
What's the knot?
The knot is what ties the bow together. So you have your circle. I'm just gonna clean this up a little bit.
Clean. Get that.
Just gonna fix this circle up. Good. Now.
Let's roll up our sleeves.
Now
Help me roll up my sleeves.
Yeah.
But make sure not to.
You don't have to roll up your sleeves. You can keep it like that.
Okay, so they can. Wait, Dad, do you like my shirt? It has Snow White on it. Yeah, my favorite princess, but my favorite queen is Elsa.
So now we're going to draw the bows. So we're going to start with this side, and it's going to be like a butterfly wing type of thing. So we're going to draw the bow like that. We're just going to, it almost looks like a heart too, right?
Yeah, a little bit.
Just like that. And you did the other side, I see, huh? Good. I'll just go ahead and follow your lead. Okay. Perfect. Now we're going to erase the lines here so that the bow looks like it's on top of the candy cane.
And that's why we're coloring. So yeah, that's why we're erasing the line, because we're coloring.
Yeah, once we color it, you're not going to see these lines. Okay, and now we're going to draw the ribbon that comes underneath the bow. So we're just going to draw a curved line this way, and we're going to draw a cut like that, like a zigzag, and then we're going to bring it back up again, just like that. And I see you went ahead. Good job. You know exactly what to do.
Now we erase these lines.
And now we're going to erase these lines. Good.
I just erased a little bit.
You just got to erase a little bit, and it's okay if the lines show right now, because once you color it in, it's not gonna show. All right. Now let's start. I'm just gonna clean all these erasers.
For these lines.
Yep, we're gonna do the spirals for the candy cane. And
someone in school, someone called Bennett Benny.
Yeah.
Yeah. Benny, and get that, Benny. Bennett said, "Stop calling me Benny."
You have some funny stories from school, huh?
Mommy, you went ahead of me. Wait.
Yeah.
Let me get ahead.
I'm gonna erase this a little bit because I wanted to make my spirals a little diagonal.
I want to make mine
So we're just gonna
straight.
go like this way.
I want to make mine straight.
Okay, you can do it however you want. And I'm gonna do one here, here, and then another one here. Great. Now,
Oops.
you go ahead. You're fine. Here, let me help you. I can help you erase that. Let's clean off all these erasings, and we're just gonna go this way, okay? You can go like that. And then keep going down like
So
that.
wait.
What color should we make our candy canes? Do you know?
White and red.
White and red, yeah. Because usually candy canes are white and red, but there are other candy canes that are different colors.
Like green.
Like green?
And the bow's green.
Yeah, the bow, we can make it green. All right, so now we can start tracing
Let's
our
practice.
candy cane with a marker, okay?
Can you help me with this?
Yes, I can help you.
Because I don't know how to open some things because some things are hard.
Yeah, no problem. And we're just gonna go really slowly, really carefully around the outline of the...
It's my first time using a marker.
No, you've used markers plenty of times.
Oops. Mommy.
No problem. We're gonna outline this anyway. You're gonna outline the lines anyway, so you can just continue along the line. Okay.
Danny.
And the good thing about drawing with a marker is you can see it better. It stands out more.
Yeah.
Because I'm sure you all cannot see it properly with just a pencil.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to outline my bow. Just do the circle.
Mommy, you're ahead of me. You have to let me.
No problem. You can catch up. I'm gonna just go on my pace and you can go on your pace. I will wait for you. Don't worry.
But I want to catch up to you.
Okay, I can wait.
Okay, but you can keep going if you want.
You sure?
Yep.
Okay.
I am already at. Mommy, I'm ahead of you.
You are? See, I told you to catch up. Okay, now I'm doing the bottom ribbon.
I finished before you.
Whoa, you did. I'm just gonna erase a little bit of this stuff here.
I don't need to erase anything.
You don't. Yours is perfect.
Yeah, I'm lucky.
You are so lucky. You draw really nicely.
Yeah, except I draw like wiggly.
So now we will start outlining the spirals. Okay.
I started outlining the spirals.
Yeah, you went ahead and started, which is good.
Mommy.
You done?
Yep.
Awesome. All right, make sure you outline this part right here. I see this one doesn't have an outline. Okay, and I'm gonna just erase these outlines here, just so that we can keep it a little cleaner.
And perfect. But I don't want mine that perfect. Yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect.
It doesn't have to be perfect. All right, so now we're going to start coloring our candy canes. We're going to do red and white for these spiral designs on the candy cane.
Yeah.
We don't need to use white because the paper's already white. So
Yeah.
I'm going to go ahead and start. now we're going to color our bows green.
Yeah, we just
okay?
need 2 colors.
Yeah. So you can use one of these greens if you want.
I want to use...
Or you can get a darker green. I see a dark green over there.
I want to use this one to match.
Okay. All right, let's go ahead and color our bows green. So this set comes with a little brush here, and I'm just doing some shades here to give it like a little shadow effect. And you just got to be very careful because it can come out of the lines. But so I'm just gonna go along this side, the left side here, just to show that there was like some kind of shadow here, and it gives like a 3D effect on these pictures. It's like as if it's popping out. Now I'm going to use a darker green to maybe add some shadows here, and it's gonna just go along this side. I'm gonna put some here. I'll put some here.
Can I try that too?
Yeah, of course. And then we'll just put it here, and then some here a little bit. And there you go, guys. This is my candy cane. We're just gonna wait for her to finish her shades. Here, let's try it. So we're gonna take this. It's coming out a different shade, but it's not bad. I think that looks good. Wow. All right, guys, so here are our candy canes. We hope you enjoyed drawing with us, and we'll see you in the next video.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Bye.